bought a house like this with wall-to-wall carpeting, 2 big windows and huge cabinets. And the first thing we did was to remove the carpet, build the wall where the window used to be, and put some insulation. These will be the feature wall using gypsum board or drywall. We call in Norway gipsplater. There's no point in removing the old wallpaper, so we didn't do it. The wall is ready after plastering and sanding. For this wall, we're using wallpaper. This is wallpaper paste or wallpaper glue. Apply evenly on the wall and let it dry. Not completely dry, just to make it sticky, to make the wallpaper stick on the wall. If it's still wet, then the wallpaper just gonna slide down. And apply also on the wallpaper itself.
I want to put like this and cut it.
This is a wall ventilation, which is designed to supply air, fresh air to the room without opening the window. Just deep. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Because I'm not very glad how we know. How we think it's like, oh my god, this is nice feeling. I like it. You know, this wallpaper is really very expensive, but we got it on sale. So when there's a sale, I just buy wallpaper. Oh, there's a fold. I don't know, it's a cut. It's like rubbery. Look, it's from the wallpaper itself. And from afar I see it, look. Huh? It's like rubbery, it's very soft. But this one is like a damage. That's why maybe it's on sale. Obviously, okay.
You will not see it.
Let's see the paint here, the one you press, because it's not nice. Oh, I don't see anymore. This it's so bad. Look what you did.
I clean it by fingers.
Oh yeah, look. You can even write, let's letter Y, Yi. Look at that. Now you have to paint this one.
Yeah.
You know what you're gonna paint? Only this line. Ready? It's nice the wood.
Very nice. Я пам'ятаю, не зняла волошу. Марія. Finito? Almost. Lucian? No. Lucian.
Our electrician asked me if I would like to have a dimmer placed in the switch, and I think it's not necessary because all we have to do is to buy a Philips bulb.